What's up, YouTube? I'm just now waking up and I really need to wash my hair. But today I'm gonna be dropping off an application to Family Christian Store. I think that's what it's called. And then my friend's coming over right now to hang out. So today's gonna be a good day, but it's gonna be a short vlog, I bet. So let's just see what happens, you know? So let's get started. If my calculations are correct, Colton is outside right about now. Colton!
Oh shit.
You got a new bike?
Actually, it's my mom's. Yeah. It's my mom's bike she got. Yeah.
Would you look at that vlog? He's riding a fucking girl's bike.
It's fine.
I just wanted to stand here, comb my hair and drop out a drive application.
Yeah, I was like.
And get my bike.
Yeah. God is good.
What?
Jesus. I mean, not booty. AJ, what are you doing? Is this your vlog? AJ, no.
Vlog.
I'm not ready for a vlog. I am the president.
Colton? The fuck do you have?
A cup of coffee.
Why?
I like coffee.
You even know who that is?
It's Colton's coffee.
I don't think it's Colton's coffee.
I think it's Colton's coffee.
Oh my god.
What up, fam?
He's eating the dog treats.
AJ is too.
No, I'm not.
It looks like a cookie. It tastes like a cookie. But it's a dog treat. But it tastes like a cookie too. And it's got a waffle-like thing. It smells like a waffle. I'm about to see what it tastes like a waffle. Watch and see. Crunchy. It tastes... I don't know. I don't like it. The waffle's no good. AJ must try it. The cookie was aight, but the waffle's like, eh. And then Colton's girlfriend at the time didn't kiss him for a while after he ate it. Mine, I'll take that. This is the AJ show.
No, it's a vlog.
This is the AJ vlog.
Colton, the vlog is back up.
What up, vlog? How you doing? Out here in Thomas Park. About to play some Pokemon Go. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, people. And that's people.
People, huh? You're people too.
I am
Yeah, people too. People three.
And you're people too. 3, 4.
Be a person though, wasn't it?
Don't ruin the...
Yeah.
Yes. Is this a trial? I plead innocent. The LT something.
I like it.
Study. Look at this awesome car, people. Yeah. Pretty badass. For you viewers out there, what kind is it? Mom, it's a Camaro.
It is?
It is. Yeah. That's a Camaro.
Well, shit.
Alright.
Bro, Clark, Article 1.
Oh shit.
What?
I hear him saying Holden. Close before host.
Close for hose.
You got a good day?
Yeah.
You had a good day?
Yeah, I did that a couple times.
So, I couldn't, post my SummerSlam review yet. I'm gonna be working on that one tomorrow. But, this is gonna be the last entry to the vlog because, I just want to edit this. So, yeah. I'm going to be eating soon. And then that's basically it. So, yeah. But, kitty. Okay. But, yeah, peace.